It is painful that a particular nurse who had been working in Migori County for more than 10 years, stagnating in one particular job group. And it is not a few number, there are several. Over 50 is not a few number that should be taken lightly. And also another grievances that we had been raising to county government of Migori is a CBA. CBA, this is an agreement, collective bargaining agreement that the county government and Migori County nurses needed to make an agreement and sign and implement it in accordance to the respect that it deserves.
The reason why we want them to be on strike, the Migori County government has refused to implement the SRC circular. You have heard how our branch secretary has talked. My addition is that stay at home until we tell you to come back to work.